You like this hair? Then keep watching. So the first thing you'll need is your braiding hair. I use the Expression collection to braid my hair. 2 mirrors, a pair of scissors, an afro, wide tooth, and rat tail comb, and any moisturizer of your choice. So first I would like to just say how beautiful this hair is. Like, the texture is kind of like my natural hair texture, and that's what I'm going for. So I'll just take like one bundle and then cut that in half, because it was like too long to work with. I want this hairstyle to look like my natural hair. So I take out these bouncing knots that I did the day before, just like a hairstyle for me to go to school and whatever. I don't know why I like doing my hair like at night. This was by like 1 a.m. And when did I finish? I think I finished by like 3 a.m. So this hairstyle didn't like take time because it was short. So I'll just like comb out my hair and separate it in half. I'm just separating it because I'm braiding the front parts, like weaving the front parts. If I was doing like box braids all around, then I would like separate the hair, section the hair, sorry. Now that is done, I take the braiding hair and I do the cross method of braiding. Then I take like a section of my natural hair and then I cross it over my fingers like this, and then I just put hair where I put the braiding hair, like on my fingers, if that makes any sense. Like, I put a braiding hair between my thumb and my index, then my index and my middle finger, then the other one was just like free. So I substituted, like I put the hair, I'm not making any sense. I put the hair where the braiding hair is. So I just like grab the hair with where the braiding hair is, and then I just like started braiding without like forgetting I even have the braiding hair in hand, just like start braiding like normally. Then I when I go like a centimeter down, like once I'm done with like 3 braids, I start like twisting the ends and twisting. Then when I get to like the end, I like bob it. I don't know how. I just like wrap the tip hair around the twist. Like kind of like locks. Yeah, that's how I can explain it. So I just do that, and that's the end of one. It's actually very, very easy to do. So that's just what I'm doing here. Yeah, I like it to look like a little bit kinky. I'm almost done, even though I skipped like a couple hours. But I'm almost done. This is the last one. Firstly, I get a large chunk of braiding hair, and then I separate the hair into like tiny pieces, because I'm going to do a feed in weave. So separating the hair makes it like much more easier. That's actually the process. You have to separate the hair. So I start by weaving my hair, just like a normal weave. See my little mohawk. Look like Sonic the Hedgehog. So I start adding the hair, like the knotless braid technique. You hold your pinky with the hair. Yeah, hold it with your pinky, then put it between your middle just like braid it, put it in your other hand, and then you add the one that your pinky was holding, and then you just like it wasn't even like there, like just forget the hair is there. So you just like keep on doing that till you get to the end. And then once you're done like adding all the hair, you just like twist the ends and you're done basically. When I twist, I like to twist to my left. So my twists are like the two strands of hair, I twist them individually, then like put one over the other. That's how I twist my hair, so it's like tight and it's not going to unravel or untwist or whatever. So yeah, with this kind of hair it might look like stiff. Just like spray a little bit of water on it and it will be like flowy, I guess. I don't know, I just like the hair. I like this hair, I like the way it turned out, and this is the finished results.